Good evening. This is Saturday Night Lloyd, and tonight I'd like to talk a little bit about WOT, spelled W-O-T. So what the heck is WOT? Well, it stands for Web of Trust, and it's an extension for your browser, the purpose of which is to keep you safer on the internet, and it can be used on a Mac and most other operating systems. If you're using a Mac, you're probably using Safari as your browser. If not, please send me an email and I can explain to you how to install it on the browser that you're using. My email address is lloyd.miner@comcast.net. So, open up your Safari browser, and up in the top left-hand corner, click on the word Safari, then click on Safari Extensions. And in the Safari Extensions gallery that comes up on the screen, if you scroll down about halfway, I'd say, you will see the acronym WOT. On the right-hand side, you will see a button that says Install. If you click on Install, it will automatically install the extension into your browser. So the next time you're out there Googling and you put in a subject matter, when the list comes up on the screen, to the right of every link, you'll see these little lifesaver-like icons. They're either red, yellow, or green. And as we all know, the traffic light signals, red is stop, do not go there. Yellow is be cautious. And green is a thumbs up and a go. I hope you enjoyed this tip. This is Saturday Night Lloyd at your service. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.